Good morning everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make menu, and if you see on the desktop I already have it ready. This is the menu we're going to create, and we added a list here because to show you this one and this one, they're not going to be affected to each other. Now I'm going to make it step by step to show you the different steps, what is going to happen and why you need everything. Now, first of all, in the menu here, we remove the word and we put the div class menu, and we put ul and li as we want this ones. When we want the drop down menu too, we wrote class drop down because we have two. We have two, and they are classes 1 and 2. This is the function that is going to make us a little bit easy work, and this one is the menu that is going to happen. Now if I go down here, I just copied and paste ul with the basic code of list. This one just to show this is not affecting this. In the template menu, this one is the before we did, and here we have the menu. Now what I like to do, I forgot to make it here, I like to say this is for the menu, this is for that, this is for that, so like this we will have less confusion. Now I want to delete this ones, all of them is for the menu, if you noticed. Now the only difference that I didn't do to the other ones is this dot menu space ul type. You see here there is no class, and this one has no class. Now this is the menu, and this is not in the menu. So here I have dot menu ul. If I remove this part and save, refresh, and this is going to show like is making the effects of what we did here, because it's for everyone. You see this one is affecting, it's going to be inline, so you need to make it inline, and overflow hide visit dot you will hide it, and a lot of things. So like this it makes the effect, and this one doesn't make the effect. Now these ones, they are not easy to work and explain it in 2 minutes, so keep in mind that if you need to see one line by line and see what is happening. This one, if you notice, they don't have these dots, padding 0 and 0, margin, so this one will not starts from here to make it more better clean, and overflow hide to make it better. Flow left, this one we explained in the last video, to make them all in line, to stack them each other. So this one is not. This one is padding again to make them more clean. The color red, I think you are already seeing the red, but this one we will change it more better. Padding, this is to show only one time. This is the size, we can enlarge it and make it more better, but we don't need it. I think it's better you just copy and paste the code and you experiment here and there instead of build it one by one. But if you see one thing, if you make only this one, after you make this one, you make this one, you will see, let me show you, I close, delete them, and I save here. Right now, you see the dots? Same. Now if we start building this one, let's remove this one for now. After we put it back, you see? Both. That left. Only this one went back. Look at the magic. Now they are on the same line. You see no space, this one has space, and they are confused to each other. After we can start seeing its building. See, now it has more space. Now let's make more code. So now there is the red. This showing of who is the red and the parent. I put everything to make it easy. After slowly it will build this. So after now we're going to start putting the code, but I'm not going to bother with showing you how to put the code because it's a boring part. But you noticed here, this one is the menu, and pay attention to the divs because this is two menus, and like that you can work with it. Here there is the hash. I'm going to put the official links so you can see all the codes that we worked from the beginning to end till now, and in the future we can continue building it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.